Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired, signed into the same Apple ID, and updated. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on the phone. They sync data. Open the Watch app on your iPhone now, because that's the control hub for installing apps and adjusting permissions. You're starting with the minimal steps that let your devices communicate. This avoids install failures later and saves time when adding the weather app. You'll navigate to the Watch app's App Store or My Watch tab to locate weather and tap Install. This pushes the app to your watch. Once installed, make sure Location Services is set to while using or always on the iPhone, and enable background app refresh so forecasts update. Then customize units, complications, and notification preferences. This step ensures the data appears where you want it on watch faces and that alerts arrive promptly. You're configuring both access and you'll finish by opening the weather app on the watch, confirming current conditions and complications display correctly. If data doesn't appear, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone first. That often resolves sync glitches. If restart fails, sign out of iCloud or unpair and repair the watch as a next step, because repairing rebuilds the connection. Make sure permissions, location access, and software updates are correct before deeper fixes. This saves time and prevents unnecessary resets when installing or updating the weather app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.